Alright, so I'm up here in the attic. Here's your furnace, and on the other side is the air conditioner. There's your gas line, your drain lines, your automatic shut off. And then on this side, where you got the Honeywell, this is your air filter door. They've got an extra air filter here. It's not your normal small little blue or green one, but this one goes in right here. So lid comes off, filter pops out. This one's dirty, it does need to be replaced. So when you replace it, you just slide it back in. There's a little lip down here at the bottom. Goes right in there and pops right back in. That's your AC system. And you also have some damper controllers on your ducts.